Unistone proudly presents its recent GRC project at AIIMS Jammu, a monumental healthcare facility spread over 227 acres, successfully completed in June 2024. The project was developed for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Architectural design by Arcop Associates Private Limited, in contractor Ahluwalia Contracts, India Limited, and the CPWD overseeing project management. Unistone's role involved contributing GRC, cladding panels, and GRC screens, covering approximately 14 lakh square feet. Unistone manufactured customized brick appearance dry cladding panels, designed to complement the architectural vision. The GRC screens were intricately crafted to provide a balance of ventilation, shading, and enhancing the overall facade design. These GRC components were designed with a focus on being lightweight, weather-resistant, and adaptable to complex architectural detailing. AIIMS Jammu project stands as a testament to Unistone's expertise in delivering high-performance GRC solutions for large-scale institutional developments. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.